Hi friends, Drew here, hanging out in an attic somewhere in Pennsylvania, and we got a call today from somebody who said they had some birds going in and out of their vent in the side of their house, and they wanted them out of their vent for their heating system. So I tried to get to them from the outside, and the way the system is set up, I can't get there from here. So we're going to have to take the system apart here on the inside in order to get the little birdies out of here. And we can hear them chirping, and that's all kinds of fun. So we're going to see if we can get this plastic strap off of here. Get the little fellers out of here. And I think we're just going to have to cut it. That's just how it's going to go today. Maybe I get another one downstairs in the truck. Alright. That cuts the wire. Hello, George, Tracy. Good to see you both. We are in an attic somewhere here in Pennsylvania. And a customer called me because they had some birds flying in and out of the vent over their garage. And they wanted to see if I could come get them out. So I just cut the strap. Next step is to try to unload the birds into the cardboard box. We'll see how this goes. Hey, Beth. Should be fun and exciting. Oh, well, that got more interesting. Alright, we have an inner and an outer sleeve. And those birds are way back up in here. Golly dang, mama bird built quite a nest. Oh, goodness gracious, I got stuff 4 feet back this pipe. I know, guys, I know. Now, I've already sealed the outside, so they can't fall out there by accident. So now it's just a matter of getting this cut. And also means Mommy and Daddy can't get in here to interfere with trying to get them out. Cut strap number 2. Alright, fellas, you are getting relocated to a cardboard box. Nobody left in the chute, good. Oh, you guys are tiny. Oh, that's so unfortunate. That is so unfortunate. They are just newborns. Anybody ever done this before? One of the things I love about my job is I get to problem solve. Come up with solutions for all kinds of stuff. Alright, that feels pretty clean. So we got all the stuff, all the nesting stuff out of the pipe. So we're going to box up the babies here. So they don't, I don't think they're going anywhere, they're a little young. So let's just put the tape on the box just for kicks and giggles. The homeowner does have a young daughter downstairs, so we'll just make like we're carrying a box of diapers out, and we'll have to find a new place for these guys to live. Don't know how we're going to do that either, but we'll come up with a plan. Gotta love when the roll of masking tape doesn't work too well, huh? Alright. Baby safe and secure. we're going to get them out of there. We're going to get into the trailer. We're going to get some other straps to put this pipe back together with, and we'll go from there. Sandra, that's kind of what I was thinking. If we can, there's a couple bird feeders down by the thing, down by the creek. Maybe Mommy and Daddy will find them chirping down there. Jacqueline, that's what I'm trying to figure out too. We can always call Tri-State Bird Rescue or something. But step one, let's get them out of the attic. Step two, let's get the heating system back together, and then we'll worry about where they're going. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.